Monday. Yes, I will. Yep.
Hi guys, this is the coaster I gave Mama. That's me, the little one, and that's Mama. We are dancing. That's
Are we?
yeah. I'm like this, you're like this.
I love it.
So first I painted, and then I drew in my,
So you painted the coaster, yeah?
and then I drew on it.
Yeah.
Okay, if my legs are really cold.
Yeah, it is cold today. Actually, it doesn't look like too cold. Let me check.
It's too cold. It's like 1 degree. Like 1 degree. It's 1 degree, Mama.
Actually, you're almost right.
What is it?
How many degrees is that?
11.
Yeah, 11 degrees right now.
It's very cold.
So, do you want to wear your jumper today? The knit jumper? Oh, wow. This is 80% wool. That's why it's so expensive.
What?
It's 80% wool.
What's wool?
It's a fabric, but it's a natural fabric. It's not plastic.
Is this one the old one?
This is the old one.
Wag, wag, wag.
May surprise kami kay Dudong.
Mommy, where do you find the luncher?
Daddy found it last night. Do you know where it was?
No. In the laundry basket.
It was in the laundry basket. I know.
Okay.
Saying hi to the guys. You saying hi? Tingnan niyo yung bulaklak. Ang ganda. Binigay to ni Dan nung Sabado. And ganito na siya.
Guys.
Guys, what?
Guys.
That's Kuya's car. Yes. Hoy. Okay, okay. Here. Ito yung binili natin kay Arlo nung ano. Nung, kailan ba natin ito binili? Nung Sabado din. Ayan. Tapos itong launcher niya, nawala to ng isang araw. Whole day yesterday, hindi namin to nahanap. Nahanap ni Dan kagabi, tulog na si Arlo, nasa laundry basket. Diyan sa laundry. Bakit kaya yun napunta dun? Sinong naglagay sa laundry basket? Alams na. Alams na. Kasi si Kuya, kung siya yung naglagay, malalaman niya kung saan niya nilagay. Ito yung naglagay. Klarong-klaro na. Kawawa si Kuya kahapon, wala siyang launcher. Gustong-gusto niya
Hey guys.
as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rage. Today, well, something's gotta give today.
Yung gusto ko lang sanang vacuumin yung crumbs na Indy. Napa-vacuum tayo ng buong lounge and kitchen. Galing. You want to finish? No? Guys, i-put away na natin to because Indy doesn't use this anymore. Check ko kung gusto to ni Mers. Keep muna natin yan dyan. Under the stairs. Mamaya ka. You're a big girl. You don't use your high chair anymore? How old are you? 2? You're not 2. How old are you? No, 1. You want me to sit there? You want Mama to sit? Alright, let's try. In there? Oh no, Mommy won't fit. Mommy won't fit. Look, look. Oh no. Oh no. Go dance. Careful. I go dance. Bye. Dance. Tumbling ikaw? Oh! Sus! Pakayabang ng ating 2 years old. How old are you? Oh no, handstand. Can you do that? Oh no! Sus, pagkabuyag, bataa. Can you help Mama? Don't touch!
Mama,
Okay, okay. Hayaan mo yung camera doon. Hayaan natin doon. Ano ba? Ready? Don't touch, don't touch.
Mommy.
Ay, nako. Wala na talaga. Hindi na lang ako mag-vlog. Hindi na lang ako mag-vlog din eh. Butong buhil. Do you wanna help Mommy with this? Okay, let's go. Ready? This is hard. I think we have to wait for Daddy because my nails. Kahit maikli na yung nails ko, parang nakakatakot maipit tayo dito. Yeah, we have to wait.
Me.
Alright, I'll wait for Daddy.
It's a good day today. a good day to live.
What are you trying to do?
I'm getting down like this.
Are you?
Yeah, do this.
You're doing that? Okay. Be careful. Be careful.
That's what's me.
I'm watching you, yes. Silly boy.
I didn't put
Yeah. Stay quiet. Hindi sleeping.
some popcorn.
Yung popcorn, sige.
TV. I'll bring downstairs.
You finish your lunch, yeah?
Yeah, turn off the TV.
You turned it off?
Because I've been for hours.
Okay.
And so I'm playing, and then now I watch the TV and then turn it off, then play and turn it off, and then
That's good.
play and then
Yeah.
watch TV, and play and turn it off.
That's good. That's a good
All
idea.
that, Daddy.
Oh my gosh, you're looking like a big boy. Can you stop growing, please?
Why?
Because you're gonna be taller than me soon. Look at you. You look like a big boy.
Now I'll
How old are you?
for
Are you sure? You look 6.
no, are you guys 7?
Oh, 7. Ah, 6, 7.
No, not 6.
Look at you. You look good.
I think I am 6, 7 years old.
You think
6,
so?
7 years old.
Hmm. You're a big boy, kuya.
Can the popcorn now on TV?
Yung popcorn, sige. Where's your plate? Did you put it in the sink?
Oh, no.
Yeah, go get it.
I,
Time check. 12:49 na ng hapon. Nakabihis pala ako, guys, because punta ako sa class ni Ayla kasi merong Mother's Day event sa class niya. It starts at 2:15 hanggang uwian. So, 2:15 to 3. So, before ako pumunta, i-return ko lang to. So, if you guys remember, hinol ko to. Umorder ako ng mga iba-ibang kulay ng t-shirts for sports day. Wala pa silang sports day, guys. Si Arlo at si Ayla, wala pang sports day. Pero nag-sports day na yung ibang class, yung mga higher class, like I think from year 1 hanggang sa year 6 or hanggang sa kung anong year meron sa school. Pero I found out na same lang daw yung color nila all throughout. I don't know how they work it out, but same yung kulay nila. So, Ayla was green last year. Obviously, she's still gonna be green. Tapos sabi nila, same daw lagi yung kulay sa sibling daw. Yun yung sabi. Again, I do not know how they work it out, but I'm keeping the greens and I'm gonna return the rest. I'm gonna keep this kasi ito yung regalo natin kay Liana. Wait, itry ko nga ito. This is for blazers if you wanna shorten the sleeve. Oh, that works. Actually, that's nice. Ay, perfect. Gamitin ko nga yan ngayon. Stretches out like that. Ganyan siya. And then, ilagay mo lang siya. So, perfect din to for blazers. Ayan. We'll see if it stays up. Black yung pinili kong kulay. So, diba? I need to put that away. And then, I'm returning Ayla's shoes nga kasi malaki sa kanya. Yung kay Arlo, medyo malaki nga ng konti. Pero kasya naman. One day, sinuot niya. Kapag nagkikick siya, sumasama yung shoes. So, parang maluwag siya ng konti. Pero sinuot niya sa school one time. Wala naman akong narinig na problema. Red. Yellow. Blue. And eyelash shoes. Kasi piniprint ko yung sarili kong return label. Meron kasing printer sa office ni Daddy. So, tapos ilalagay ko dito. And then yan, diretso na to kay Kuya. Isascan niya na lang. Bigyan niya ako ng receipt with a tracking number. I do not have to pay for anything because free returns yung Shein. So, that's it. You guys, time check. It's 1:41. Alis ako in 9 minutes. Nakapag-edit ako. So, 2:15 yung Mother's Day ganap sa class ni Ayla. But I'm gonna leave earlier so I can drop off the package before ako magpunta sa school. Tapos na yung dishwasher, that's the noise. Oh my gosh. Yung next kong i-edit yung pakahaba. Yung nag-karaoke kami ng girls. Oh my goodness. Clips ko for that vlog for that day is 2 hours, guys. 2 hours. That's long. Alright, alis na ako. Dito na si Dan. Nakapapaalam na din ako. Nandun siya sa office niya. Arlo, I'll go. Okay, kuya?
Okay, Tony brought me the tiny egg and the tiny person.
Tiny person inside. Okay. Right.
But it's not really small. It's that big.
Okay.
But not super young, not super young.
Not super long. Okay.
It's
Love
only
you.
that
I love
big.
you.
Like 6, 7,
I love you too.
Tony brought me
I love you.
Tony brought me the egg and the T-Rex.
I can buy you the egg and the T-Rex. Yes. Okay. Bye-bye. Love you.
And he eats it, and then it will poop on, it fall out in his tummy like pooping down.
Okay. Okay.
That
Bye-bye.
would
Love
be
you.
funny.
Love you.
Every bite I'll show you how it goes.
Okay. Okay. Show me. If you need anything, Daddy's in his office. Okay.
And we eat it like this, we get it like this. Mama,
Yes, baby.
I think buy me that.
Okay, kuya. Apaka-delicate ng ano nito, leather nitong sapatos na to. May mga ano na siya, scratch. OOTD! This is from Uniqlo. I'm just wearing a white basic t-shirt under, jeans from Zara, and then yung Onitsuka Tiger na shoes na sabi ko. See? Meron na siyang mga scratch dyan. Very delicate ng ano, leather. And then dito, ayan. See? Kita nyo ba? Yeah. And ilang beses ko pa lang ito nagamit. Siguro, hindi pa nakalimang beses. Alright, so post office and then Ayla school. Hi. Just that. Yes, please. Thank you. Alright, let's go to school, guys. It is 2:02. And yung school ni Ayla mga 5 minutes away lang, 7 minutes away. Speaking of Ayla, I'm so proud of our ate. And ito yung tinuturo-turo ko lang noon, guys. My goodness. May mga times na inisip mo, look at this. Yung pinag-pray mo lang noon, reality mo na ngayon. Because I was just praying for this life to become a mom. Lahat ba Mother's Day event ngayon? Kasi bakit full? Why is it full? Oh my gosh, parking is full, you guys. Shoot balls. All I can say is shoot balls. Oh, shoot balls talaga. Pinakamalaking shoot balls. Now where are you gonna park, Grace? Where are you gonna freaking park?
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Something's gotta give
Oh no.
today. It's a good day.
Oh my gosh, Ayla. Mommy survived. Ay, nako guys. Pagdating namin doon, ang tahimik nila. Naka-ready na sila guys para kantahan kami. Tapos may chairs doon. Umupo ako sa harap talaga. Nakita ko si Ayla. Tapos kumanta sila. Ay, nako. Yung luha ko talaga. As in, pinipigilan ko. Alam mo yung ginagawa ko? Nag-iisip ako na nakakatawa kasi pag umiyak ako, baka ako lang mag-isa iiyak. Tapos hindi ako tumitingin sa ibang mama kasi baka may makita akong umiiyak at bigla akong humagulhol doon. Oh my goodness. Ay nako, ang hirap pigilan. She was so good. Sobrang pinipigilan ko yung aking mga luha. But it was good. Yeah, so kumanta sila in Italian and then may kinanta din silang something in English. Hindi ako makatitig kay Ayla the whole time kasi nga maiiyak ako sa tinitingnan ko yung ibang bata. Nag-iisip ako ng mga nakakatawa. Something para ma-distract yung aking isip kasi ewan ko na lang talaga. Ano ba yan?
Mama,
Yes, baby?
is Lila 57?
Yes? Oh my gosh, what are we gonna have for dinner? We'll go to the shops quickly. So after nila kumanta, she drew a portrait of me and then she gave me a massage. It was amazing. Had a drink while she was massaging me and then she made me a bracelet which is really cute, you guys. And then we read her book that she made.
And we also take photos.
Oh yeah, we took the photo. We'll show the guys later. Ay, Ayla. Alam mo yung pinipigilan mo yung luha mo, sakit na tuloy ng ulo ko.
I think I can read this to you. And I'm only in media reception. My mom.
Okay. I don't think we have to read all of it now, but
Yeah, I'll just read one.
okay.
My mom loves me, Isla, and my brother, sister.
Yep. Good job. Alright, we'll read the next parts later. Show them the picture. Where's the photo?
Here. I didn't
And
know.
they took a photo of us as well. So cute. Alright, let's go. Come on, babe.
Mama.
Oh, my phone. I need bok choy.
That's bok choy.
That is bok choy, yes. Can you hold that for me?
It's
And
really
then
cold.
I need talong.
Dalon.
Talong. Come on. The smallest one. No, the smallest one. That's massive, ate.
I don't know where this one is.
Oh my gosh. This is... you know what? I'll just get a big one. Yeah, I'll just get a big one. Yeah, those two. Yep. Yep, thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes, 3 of the Maryland chicken, please. Thank you.
A friend in my class,
Yeah.
she's 5,
Yeah.
and she lost her tooth.
Oh, already?
Yeah.
You will lose your tooth, baby. Don't you worry. That's gonna happen.
I don't
You're-
want to lose my tooth and only get grown-up ones.
You don't want to lose it yet?
No, because I brush my teeth really well.
I know you do. Yeah. Dentist is very happy.
Kids normally lose their tooth when they are 6.
Yeah, so if you lose it, it's normal. It was so special. I was so close to crying. And you know what? You made me a mom. It's you, baby. You
Did
made me a
anyone
mom.
else made you a mom?
Nope. You made me a mom. You're the best thing ever. The best thing that happened to Mama. My goodness
Well, why
gracious.
did you not cry?
I was so close. Just watching you being such a grown-up is just like how come you're already 5 and turning 6 and such a good ate. Like seriously. Why is Mommy so blessed? What did I do? to deserve this life?
Nothing.
What did I do? I've got such good kids and amazing kids. So I'm gonna make paksiw na salmon. Oh my gosh, I missed that. Ginataan, yung ginataan, guys.
Mom, it tastes cold.
Yeah, of course, because it was frozen. It is frozen still. Oh my gosh, my love, I was holding my tears. I was like, if I cry, I'm gonna be the only person crying here. So I was just like thinking of funny stuff. I was like looking at the other kids and I'm like, oh, his head looks funny. Like just stuff like that just to distract my head. It was so silent when we got there and they were just sitting there and they were so cute and they sang in Italian. She made me a book. Look at this book. My mom. So she did the drawing and then the writing. So look at this. My mom loves me, Ayla, and my sister and brother. And then here, me eating. My mom likes to eat rice. And then my mom has black hair. My mom is 35 years old. At least she got it right. Alo, how old am I? 45. I'm 45 now.
41.
I like to chase my mom. My mom's favorite color is brown. So cute. I-prepare na natin, guys, ang pang-dinner.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day to live.
Alright, guys, simulan na natin ang ating salmon na paksiw na may gata. Basta recipe ni Lyra to. Lagyan natin ginger, onion. Oh my gosh, ang bango na agad. Ginger pa lang at onion. Garlic, salmon, sili, salt, pepper. Dapat may fish cubes, pero wala akong fish cubes. So, gagamitin ko lang Vegeta, pampalasa. Gagamit ako ng 2 vinegar, sukang pinakurat at saka dato puti na plain lang. Oil. And then water. And then isa lang na natin to, guys. Lagay na natin ang gata, guys. What are you doing? You look good. Guys, nakalimutan ko maglagay ng sugar. So, let's put sugar in there. Baby. Happy day. Hello, you want to show the guys? Luto na to, guys. Looks so good. Si Indy, wala na. Pinakain ko na. Kasi kanina pa nagtatawa. Gusto na kumain na sukal. Ating batang na. So, tapos na si Indy. The kids are eating as well. I am heating up this pan para maluto ko na yung kay Dan. Ito na, nilabas na niya yung kanya. He will have schnitzel again. Walang katapos ang schnitzel. Hindi sila sasawa ang paulit-ulit na ulam. But that's his request. So, that and corn. Nasa microwave na yung corn. Yeah. So when it's ready, I'm gonna put it in. Guys, pangalawang balik ko na to. Dinagdagan ko lang ang gulay. Ang sarap ng ating dinner. Thank you, Lord. Meron pa tayong natira dun for ano naman yun, bukas. So, it's so good. Success.
Eileen, do you give Mummy a massage today, not me? I never got one for Father's Day. You're only 4.5?
Tingnan nyo to. Kumakain na naman na. May mais na magdala-dala. Batang bail. You playing with toys? Aww. Good playing, kuya. Pinapatawa ni Arlo si Indy. Ang cute-cute. Finish it. All done? Alright. You did really well, baby. Look at that.